Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to accept payments with Stripe on your Shopify store? In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect Stripe with Shopify in 2025, even if you are a complete beginner. Stripe is a leading payment processor that supports credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and more. It's fast, secure, and trusted by top brands. Shopify uses Shopify payments as default. Processor which is powered by Stripe. If you are in a country where Shopify payments is available, you don't need to connect Stripe manually. Just activate Shopify payments from payments methods payment section. But if Shopify payments isn't available in your country, you can want a custom Stripe setup. Here's how to do it. Go to stripe.com, click, wait a minute, log into your account. Now, Stripe requires valid personal ID and bank information. Make sure they are real and accurate. Create an account if you haven't already. Just click Start Now. Then enter your email name and business information. Choose business type like individual or company. Enter bank details for payouts. Confirm your emails. That is it. From Shopify admin dashboard, go to settings, then payments tab. From dashboard, click settings, then payments. Scroll down and select manual payment method. Click create custom payment method. Give it a name like Stripe. And then write additional details, then payment instructions like please payment with Stripe here, or click on choose a provider, search for Stripe, click on it, then connect your Stripe account to with Shopify account. Click connect. Once connected, customers will be able to pay with credit cards directly through Stripe on your Shopify checkout. Now go to settings, then Payments tab. Enable test mode. Use Stripe's test card number to place a test order. Confirm the payment flows correctly. Disable test mode when ready to go live. Always test your checkout before going live. Avoid errors and abandoned carts. Now, customize payment settings. Payment authorization like auto versus manual, refund policies, fraud prevention, email receipts. Stripe also offers tools like Radar for fraud protection and analytics for tracking sales performance. Stripe charges around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transactions. Payouts are sent directly to your bank, usually within 1 to 3 business days. So, just click connect. Enter follow the process like your date of birth, home address, phone number, then security code. Then click continue and follow the process. So that's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Stripe and ready to accept payments. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and comment below. If you want a checklist or comparison of payment gateways for your country. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.